Every person you've ever loved, every friend you've ever had, every ancestor in your family tree exists because Earth survived. And Earth almost didn't. You are alive because the solar system failed to kill Earth. Let that sink in. For most of Earth's history, there were no humans, no cities, no nations, no civilizations, no one wondering why they existed. Just a young planet orbiting an ordinary star inside a violent cosmic shooting range. Asteroids crashed into planets. Comets crossed planetary orbits. Entire worlds were reshaped by collisions. And somehow, Earth survived. Not for a few years, not for a few million years, for billions of years. Long enough for oceans to form. Long enough for life to evolve. Long enough for your ancestors to survive. Long enough for you to exist. And one reason may be a giant gas planet orbiting hundreds of millions of miles away. Jupiter. Not because Jupiter was protecting us, not because it was designed to help us, but because its enormous gravity changed the odds. The strange part? Your existence may depend on cosmic events that happened billions of years before your species appeared. And once you realize how fragile Earth's survival actually was, modern life starts feeling very different. When most people picture the solar system, they imagine something calm, planets peacefully orbiting the sun, everything stable, everything predictable. But that's not how the solar system began. Early space was violent. Extremely violent. Rocks collided constantly. Asteroids smashed into young planets. Entire worlds were reshaped. Some were destroyed. Others barely survived. Scientists call this period the Late Heavy Bombardment. For hundreds of millions of years, impacts were common. Earth wasn't protected from this chaos. Earth was inside it. That single collision reshaped our planet forever. Even after the solar system settled down, the danger never completely disappeared. Millions of asteroids still orbit the sun. Comets still travel through the solar system. Objects still cross Earth's path. Most are harmless, some are not. 66 million years ago, one asteroid changed the history of life. The impact helped wipe out roughly 75% of species on Earth, including the dinosaurs. One rock. One day, an entire world transformed. And here's the strange part. If that asteroid arrives a little earlier, or a little later, your family tree may never begin. Not metaphorically, literally. Which raises a strange question. If space is this dangerous, why did Earth survive long enough for intelligent life to emerge? Part of the answer may be Jupiter. Jupiter is difficult for the human brain to understand. More than 1,300 Earths could fit inside it. Its gravity dominates huge regions of the solar system. And gravity doesn't simply pull, it redirects. It reshapes trajectories. It changes probabilities. Jupiter constantly interacts with asteroids and comets. Some objects are captured. Some are thrown outward. Some are redirected entirely. In 1994, humans witnessed something remarkable. A comet called Shoemaker-Levy 9 slammed into Jupiter. Fragment after fragment crashed into the planet. The explosions released enormous amounts of energy. For the first time, humanity watched a planetary collision unfold in real time. It was a reminder that the solar system is still active, still dangerous, still capable of enormous violence. But Jupiter's role is more complicated than most people realize. Sometimes Jupiter reduces impact risks. Sometimes its gravity can redirect objects toward the inner solar system. Jupiter is not a perfect shield. It's something stranger, a giant gravity machine. One that has been influencing the architecture of the solar system for billions of years. Now imagine deleting Jupiter, not shrinking it, removing it entirely. Would Earth become safer? Scientists aren't completely sure. Some simulations suggest fewer dangerous objects might reach us. Others suggest Jupiter may have removed threats that otherwise would have remained. The point is not that Jupiter saved Earth. The point is that Earth's history would likely be very different without it. And in a different Earth history, you may never appear. This is where the story becomes personal, because humans often think their existence was inevitable. It wasn't. Earth needed an astonishing number of things to go right. Liquid water, stable temperatures, the right atmosphere, a magnetic field, long-term geological stability, billions of years without complete planetary catastrophe. Life then needed to survive, adapt, evolve, diversify, recover from mass extinctions, again and again and again. Then your ancestors had to survive. Ice ages, disease, predators, famine, natural disasters, population bottlenecks, countless moments where entire branches of life's family tree disappeared forever. And somehow, your branch continued. Your existence isn't simply the result of your parents' meeting, or your grandparents' meeting, or human evolution. Your existence is connected to a chaotic chain of cosmic events stretching back billions of years. Imagine deleting a single asteroid, a single collision, a single orbital change. Somewhere in that altered timeline, your bloodline disappears. Not metaphorically, literally. That's how fragile the chain really is. One of the strangest things about being human is that we experience reality from the inside. So everything feels normal. The sky feels normal. The seasons feel normal. Earth feels permanent. But beneath that normality are invisible systems quietly keeping our planet habitable. Earth's magnetic field deflects dangerous solar radiation. The atmosphere regulates temperature and burns up countless incoming objects. The moon helps stabilize Earth's tilt. Without it, Earth's climate could be far more chaotic. And then there's Jupiter, a giant gravitational presence influencing the solar system from afar. None of these systems think. None of them care. Yet together they helped create the conditions that allowed life to persist. That's the strange thing about habitability. It isn't one thing. It's a stack of unlikely conditions layered on top of one another. Remove enough layers, and Earth becomes a very different world, possibly a lifeless one. Reality appears simple: a planet, an ocean, a sky. But beneath that appearance lies a network of invisible systems quietly making your existence possible. Now let's compress Earth's history into a single calendar year. Earth forms on January 1st. The first life appears around March. Complex life arrives in November. Dinosaurs dominate much of December. They disappear on December 26th. Modern humans, we don't appear until the final minutes of December 31st. Civilization, the final seconds. Every city, every nation, every empire, every war, every invention, every member of your family appears in the final moments of Earth's story, from the perspective of deep time. Everything we call normal is incredibly recent and incredibly fragile, which means the most important events in your story may have happened long before humans existed, long before civilization, long before mammals, long before Earth was fully formed. The story of your life didn't begin when you were born. It didn't begin with your ancestors. It began inside a young solar system where countless things could have gone differently. And one of the reasons you're here may be a giant gas planet quietly orbiting in the darkness, changing probabilities, reshaping trajectories, influencing outcomes for billions of years. Somewhere in the universe, there may be other planets with oceans, other planets with atmospheres, perhaps even other forms of life. We don't know. But what we do know is this: Earth survived long enough to produce you. That was never guaranteed. The universe didn't owe us civilization. It didn't owe us history. It didn't owe us a future. Yet, somehow, after billions of years of cosmic chaos, a chain of events remained unbroken long enough for the universe to become aware of itself, through you. The next time you're stuck in traffic, stressed about work, or worried about a deadline, remember something strange. Your life is the result of billions of years of cosmic survival. And one reason you can ask, how did I get here? Maybe Jupiter. See the unseen.